Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Core Java, and today in our lesson number 8 we are going to learn about conditional and ternary operators. So for our first topic we will see what is logical or conditional OR operator. To see that, I have declared two variables x and y, where x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. Okay, so if we already know what if is, so if condition x equal to 10, sorry, 10, this is the OR operator. Okay, or y equal to 30, then run some block of code like print this is okay, one of the condition is satisfied. Okay, so in this case x equal to 10 is correct, but y is not equal to 30. But when we run this we can see this block of code is being run successfully, because x equal to 10 is satisfied in any one of the condition is satisfied, and hence the block of code is run. So this is the function of OR operator, which means that any of the any of the condition that we apply, if any one of them is successful, then the block of code will be run. So coming to the next topic, that is AND operator. So let's suppose I replace this with AND. Okay, so here if I run this, then nothing will be printed, simply because even if x equal to 10 is true, y is not equal to 30, so one of the condition is not satisfied. So in case of AND, all of the condition need to be satisfied. Okay, so if I make y equal to 30 for example, and then run this, now we can see that this block of code is being run, and we can see the output as this. Okay, here I will change this, both the condition are is satisfied. Okay, so in this case both of this condition is satisfied, that's why we can see this output. So it is not necessary that we use only two condition, we can use multiple actually. So for example, if I put x greater than y, now if we see, there is no output, because as I said, AND operator does not just check between two, it checks for all of the condition. So even if x equal to 10 is correct, y equal to 30 is also correct, but the last condition, that x is greater than y, is not correct, because obviously 10 will not be greater than 30. So in this case, if I change this condition and then run it, obviously now we'll get the output. Okay, so here we can combine these two, easily we can combine these two. For example, I can uh, I can make this 20 now, and then if I run it, so even in this condition we can see the output, because from either of the two there is OR condition, means any of the two condition need to be satisfied, and then it will move on to the AND condition, and the third condition is x less than y. So obviously this is satisfied, so any of the condition from here, this parenthesis, and then the condition of x less than y is satisfied, so we can see the output here. So hope you understand OR and AND operator. Now we'll move on to the third topic, that is ternary operator. So the ternary operator is pretty much similar to if else. Okay, for example, let's say int x equal to 10, int y equals to, let's say 20, then int z. Will not assign any value for this now. Let's say z equals to x equal to 10, then question mark, Z will be, let's say, 30, else it will be 40. Then we'll print Z. So now we can see the ternary operator consists of a question mark and a colon. What this means is, if this condition before the question mark is satisfied, then this will be run. That means this value will be assigned, and if this condition is not satisfied, then this value will be assigned. So when we run this, we get Z equal to 30, which is expected. Okay, now if I change this to not equal to, okay, if I change this to not equal to, what we will get? Obviously 40 as expected, because this condition is not satisfied, hence it will move on to the else case. That means after the colon, whatever is there, it will move on to the else case, and then this 40 is assigned to Z. Okay, so here, like if else, we can also use our conditional or logical operator here. Simply we can write and y equal to 20. So x equal to means x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. Both of the condition need to be satisfied. Then Z will be assigned 30, else 40 will be assigned. Okay, so if I run this, so you can see Z equal to 30. So this is how ternary operator works. That means the if else condition that we had can easily be assigned in a single line, can easily be written in a single line using ternary operator. So hope you guys understood the logic of OR operator, AND operator and ternary operator. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below and we will surely reply back and try to clear your all the doubts. So don't forget to like and share with your friends, whoever is interested in learning about core Java, and tune in for the next lesson. Thank you.